Hi, my name's Jelaine Mills. I'll be teaching Math 4 Honors in STEM and Discrete Math Honors in STEM, Discrete Math with Computer Programming. I've been teaching for about 16 years now. Before this, I was a computer programmer, so this discrete math is going to be really fun for me. Excited about that. I graduated from Troy University in Alabama. I grew up in Alabama, moved here with my husband about 20-something years ago. So, not from Concord, but I do love Concord. I've been at Northwest for 2 years now and absolutely love it. Had the chance to go somewhere else and begged to come back. I love Northwest. I'm excited to be a part of this wonderful math department and great school. We will be using, as most of y'all know, we'll be using Canvas as our main learning system. You'll need to make sure that you log on to Canvas every single day. The work that we're going to be doing is all laid out right there. It's your one-stop shop. It will tell you where to go, what to do, and when to turn in. It'll give you your due dates and all stuff like that. We'll use Delta Math and Alex and Quizzes for assignments. And we'll also be uploading some information, some written out work on Canvas as well. As long as you keep up, you'll be fine. Just keep up with your day-to-day stuff and it'll be pretty straightforward. I am here for questions every day. The class is going to work that we're going to do a video for the next class. You'll get it the day before. You'll watch the video. It's called a flipped classroom. You'll watch the video, do a couple of problems just to make sure you understand the video. Come to class the next morning or afternoon, be it, and we'll answer any questions that you have. We'll go over a few examples, and then you'll have time in class to work. I expect you to stay in class and work on your assignment. That way you'll be done by the time class is over or pretty close to it. When you're working, that's when you need to be asking me questions. That means to be my office hours time. I guarantee if you have the question, someone else in the class will have the exact same question. So you need to go ahead and ask it. There's a perfect opportunity, and we learn from our different questions and mistakes that we make. I can only learn your learning style if you talk to me. If you let me know what you are getting from the lesson and what you're understanding and what you're not understanding. So my classroom is very interactive. I don't like sitting there with nobody to talk to, and I'm sure you guys don't like that either. So we can't all be in person right now, but we can all communicate with each other and have the best online group that we can, whether you're in class or you're online. All right. If you have any questions, you can contact me through Remind. Please sign up for the Remind app. It's listed on my Canvas page, and it's also listed on this home page if you need to find the codes for that. Parents are encouraged to sign up as well, but it's not a necessity. This semester is mainly juniors and seniors, and by now we need to be getting prepared for real life, I guess you could say, to where our parents need to take a little bit of a step back, which I'm a mother of a senior, and it's hard for me to do that as well, parents. I get it. But we need to make sure that you students are going to be able to handle the next stage in your career, life, whatever it is that you're about to embark on. So I need you, the juniors and seniors, I need you guys to start taking responsibility, which most of you, I guarantee, already are. Stay current with your work, and you'll be fine. We'll have tests, quizzes, and we'll have homework assignments or classwork homework assignments. The homework and classwork assignments are designed so that you can do them over and over and over, and you should be getting hundreds on those. You'll need that grade to compensate for anything that you might mess up on a test or a quiz. So The syllabus will tell you what the weighting of each test and quiz and homework, what weighting that is for each of the classes. If you have any questions, again, like I said, text me on Remind or email me, and I will be glad to chat with you anytime. We can set up video conferences if there's a time that you need to just talk with me individually. We'll set up video conferences on Fridays or in the afternoons. I'm really looking forward to meeting with each and every one of you this semester. I know it's going to be a great semester. All right. Thank you.